This video is not going to be edited, and that's because I want to show you what's possible. I want to show you that it is very possible to record a video and post it without necessarily having to edit it. So the other day, I put up a poll on my community asking what process of the content creation, what process of content creation stresses my audience out the most. And a lot of people said editing. And honestly, I get it because editing can be very stressful for a lot of people, myself included. And that's why personally, I also have lots of videos that I've recorded but haven't posted because I haven't had the time or even the inspiration to edit. Okay, that's why I'm putting out this video just to show you that you can record a video and you don't have to post it. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 kinds of videos that you can record without editing. You can record these videos and post them without editing, and people will love it. So, the first kind of video is a video that the type of video I'm creating right now, which is a video where you're just walking and you're talking. This kind of video, why you can record this kind of video and post it without editing is because you know, it's I like to call this kind of video a FaceTime video where you're doing your thing and you're just talking and it feels as if you're just having a conversation with your audience. And even when you make a mistake or there's an awkward pause in your video, it's something that your audience will overlook because it just looks like imagine you're talking to your friend. When you're talking to your friend, it's not perfect. There are times that you pause to think of what to say and all of that. So, yes, this is a kind of video that if you don't want to go through the stress of editing, you can put out this kind of video and your audience will love it. I've seen this kind of video a lot. And one of the things that even catches my attention in this kind of video is the fact that I'm listening to what the person is saying, but I'm also interested in the background. So when you make a mistake or when you're trying to think of what to say in your video, audience will not really notice it because they are kind of interested in your background, seeing what's going on in your background and all of that. The second kind of video that you can record without editing is a video I like to call the casual video. It's a video where you just it feels as if you just woke up and you're sitting on your bed and you just want to talk to your audience or you just want to talk to a friend. And why this video is a kind of video that you can post without editing is because of how casual it is. It just feels like imagine your friend just wakes up in the morning and calls you. Would you expect the conversation to be perfect? No. So this kind of video, to create this kind of video, just make sure that you're not overly dressed. Your background does not have to be perfect for this kind of video. It should be, in fact, your background should be like maybe in your bedroom. You're just sitting down on your bed, you have your sleeping cap on, like you're so underdressed, like you're just waking up. Because if you're perfectly dressed for this kind of video, your audience will expect your video to be perfect. So this is another, and I also like to call this kind of video the FaceTime video because it also feels like a FaceTime where you're just sitting down, and casually talking to your audience. The third kind of video that you can record without necessarily having to edit is a video that I see this one a lot and I love it. Is a kind of video where you're just sitting in your car, and I like to call this kind of video a spontaneous video because it feels like okay, you're driving or you're going somewhere and you just thought of something that you want to share with your audience or you just thought of something that you want to share with your friend and then you're just sitting in your car casually and you're just sharing this thing. It's really forgivable if you make a mistake and you pause, or it's forgivable when you make a mistake and there's an awkward silence in your video, and that's because the person watching your video they will know that okay, this is just a spontaneous conversation I'm having with this person, and it kind of feels really authentic. The kind of videos that I've seen where people record in their cars, it looks like it's so simple and it gets lots of views. And that's because of the authenticity. These kind of videos that I've shared with you, the first one, which is just walking and talking, the casual video where you just woke up, and the one in your car, it just feels really authentic. And this is what people are craving for. And the fourth kind of video that you can record without, editing is the live video. Do you a lot of people, I wanted to ask, do you edit your live video? But I know that there is a way you can edit your live videos, but a lot of people do not edit their live videos, and lots of live videos still get lots of views. So if you're looking for a kind of video that you can, post without editing, then just go live once in a while, or just go live to record your videos and post it when you're done. One tip that I will give you to help you to create this kind of videos is to make sure that the topic that you want to talk about to your audience, make sure it's a topic that you understand, just so that when you're recording, you won't look confused in your video. Another thing is that you should make sure that you have a script. And when I say script, I don't mean you should write down everything that you want to say in your video. Just put down the bullet points, the bullet points of the things that you want to mention. For example, for me, I have my bullet points in my phone here, and I sent it to myself on WhatsApp. I just have the first one, the second one, third one, because I know the explanations, I know what I want to say. So I just wrote down the bullet points number one, two, three, and four, and it just makes it easy for me to post this video without having to edit. And the fun part is that once I finish recording this video, I'm just going to post it. I'm going to post it, maybe give it a few hours, and then make it go live, because I don't have to waste my time. I don't have to waste a lot of time editing. So yes, if this is what you need, if I heard the sound out behind me. So if you need a kind of video that you can record and just edit, and if you need a kind of video that you can record and just post without editing, then these four kinds of videos will help you. Let me know in the comment section which of these kind of videos you would like to, start putting out in your channel. Um, Also, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. And also, this is the first take I am doing of this video, and I don't have to edit it. It's so simple. Thank you for watching. My name is Amaka if you're just seeing me for the first time, and I put out content that helps you create better and easier content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.